The quest for flawless audio in content creation has reached an absolute fever pitch, and if you are building out a professional video kit or searching for the ultimate wireless audio gear, understanding the pricing and performance realities of the DJI Mic lineup changes everything. For years, creators across the United States struggled with clunky, unreliable audio gear, dealing with static, heavy transmitters that pulled down shirt collars, and complicated setups that drained valuable production time. Then DJI disrupted the entire industry, proving that broadcast-quality sound could live inside an ultralight, pocket-sized package. Today, we are breaking down the exact pricing structures, dissecting the massive technological leaps found in the newest iterations like the DJI Mic Mini and Mic series, analyzing what these investments mean for your workflow, and answering the ultimate question: are these tiny wireless audio powerhouses worth every single penny, or should you settle for cheap generic alternatives? Keep watching, because every single detail we are about to reveal will completely transform how you record your voice and retain your viewers from the first second to the very last. To truly understand where these pricing tiers sit in the United States market, we have to look closely at how DJI structures its wireless ecosystem. When looking at compact, ultra-portable solutions, the DJI Mic Mini introduces an aggressively competitive price point that targets solo creators, vloggers, and mobile journalists. Typically retailing around standard entry configurations, a single transmitter and receiver setup often starts around the mid-double-digit mark, while comprehensive dual transmitter kits complete with charging cases range upwards into higher tiers, keeping competition fierce against brands like Rode and Hollyland. When you compare this to larger, full-scale professional dual-channel systems like the mainline DJI Mic series, which command higher investments due to internal 32-bit float backup recording, extended battery life, and advanced metal charging docks, DJI has masterfully carved out distinct pricing brackets for every level of creator. Whether you are an independent YouTube vlogger shooting on a smartphone or a commercial filmmaker running high-end cinema cameras, there is a specific tier engineered to match your exact budget. However, looking at just the base sticker price tells only part of the story. When you invest in a professional wireless microphone system, you have to examine what comes inside that charging case and how it saves you money on auxiliary gear. The DJI Mic Mini transmitters weigh an astonishingly light 10 grams each. Think about what that means for your on-camera appearance. Traditional wireless mics are bulky, heavy blocks that pull down the fabric of lightweight t-shirts, creating an awkward, unprofessional look on video. The Mic Mini utilizes a secure magnetic attachment system alongside a traditional clip, letting you snap the transmitter invisibly onto any collar or fabric without sagging or flipping. Furthermore, the all-in-one charging case neatly houses your transmitters, receiver, smartphone adapters, and specialized windscreens without requiring you to tear down your gear configuration every time you pack up. When you calculate the time saved on set and the elimination of extra accessories, the value proposition becomes exceptionally clear. Let's look under the hood at the engineering marvels driving these audio systems, because the transmission stability and range are where DJI completely obliterates the competition. We are talking about reliable, stable wireless transmission ranges reaching up to 400 meters in open environments. Whether you are filming a dynamic street interview in a crowded, interference-heavy urban environment across the United States or shooting a wide-angle landscape documentary where you walk far away from the camera, the audio link remains rock-solid, crystal clear, and completely dropout-free. The system supports 48 kHz 24-bit audio recording, delivering rich, broadcast-grade vocal depth that makes your voice sound warm, present, and professional. For creators who frequently deal with unexpected loud noises such as sudden laughter, screaming sirens, or heavy wind gusts, built-in features like automatic audio limiting and multi-level noise cancellation dynamically suppress ambient background chaos while instantly lowering the gain if your voice spikes, ensuring your primary audio track never distorts or clips. Versatility across different recording devices is another massive selling point that justifies the investment. The DJI Mic Mini and its sibling ecosystems seamlessly bridge the gap between mirrorless cameras, action cams, and mobile devices. Through direct integrations like DJI's Osmo Audio ecosystem, the receiver can connect directly to compatible cameras without messy 3.5mm jack cables, while Lightning and USB-C adapters allow instant plug-and-play operation with iPhones and Android devices for mobile live streaming and vertical short-form content. Additionally, the system supports flexible mono, stereo, and safety track recording modes. The safety track mode records a secondary audio track at a lower volume as an insurance policy, meaning that if an unexpected loud sound ruins your primary track, your backup track saves your production from complete disaster. For working professionals who cannot afford to lose a single minute of audio during a high-stakes client shoot, this feature alone pays for the entire setup multiple times over. When examining retail availability and market demand across major United States electronics hubs and online giants like B&H Photo, Adorama, and Best Buy, high-demand audio gear from DJI frequently experiences rapid inventory turnover. Because creators increasingly prioritize clean, wireless audio over upgrading camera bodies, compact microphone systems remain hot commodities. Buying a trusted, premium audio ecosystem is viewed by professional videographers not as a disposable tech purchase, but as a long-term business tool that directly improves viewer retention. When a YouTube video has pristine, studio-quality dialogue with zero background hum or muffled distortion, audience retention skyrockets because viewers subconsciously associate clean sound with high-end production value. Conversely, poor audio is the number one reason viewers click away from a video within the first 10 seconds, making a top-tier microphone investment the most critical upgrade any content creator can make. Evaluating the broader audio market reveals why DJI's pricing structure dominates conversation across creator forums. While cheaper, no-name wireless microphones flood online marketplaces for a fraction of the cost, they invariably suffer from terrible battery degradation, constant wireless dropouts, severe hiss, and zero customer support. Investing in a proven system like the DJI Mic lineup guarantees multi-year reliability, frequent firmware updates, seamless ecosystem expansion, and professional acoustic engineering. Assess your current audio setup, listen back to your latest videos to check for background noise or room echo, and determine whether upgrading to professional wireless audio will elevate your channel's production quality. Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. Do you currently use a wireless microphone system for your YouTube videos, or are you still relying on built-in camera audio? Let us know, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next deep dive into cutting-edge technology.